Well, I'm thinking a cloth one would probably be better.
¿Cuánto cuestan los guaraches?
That one on the black one that I had. I am actually. I forgot I had another one that I was hanging on the door handle of the room. So I put that one on too.
¿Hay gente allá arriba, Guayrucha? Comprando poquita.
Look at a little piñata.
Pero caminando sí.
I like the way they get the leather smell.
So pretty. Yeah.
Guess so.
Mom.
See if we can find your size. I think. Yeah.
Cuando el Alex estaba chiquito aquí veníamos. Pero ya.
No, because they had the little blind box things that Nicole got for Eddie.
Oh.
It has a blind Hello Kitty thing that you put on your phone, you know?
Oh, okay.
That just looks like it's hanging off.
Maybe what?
Mini fan.
Oh,
$12.95.
could probably find a better one off of eBay or something. Well, Amazon, but one that's like a bigger one. Because I've seen they have like pretty big ones, but it's a handheld. Because I know for the summer, look, they have those, but I think.
Oh, the monster.
Yeah, those. Oh, those, whatever they're called. ¿A cuántos son? Gracias. $20.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Oh, excuse me.
Although there's a spot right here if you want to sit right there. It wouldn't fit them.
But those were fake because the real ones, it has a plastic hard base on it.
At least you could tell the difference, because I couldn't.
Well, just because I seen a video on it. Yeah. Naturally. Oh, like the old fashioned.
Just looking.
Yeah.
I didn't ask to be my tea, I just got lucky. Come on, some bond thing. What? They had a big one?
Huh? Oh.
Yeah, so. Oh, yeah, those clear bags. Oh, backpacks. Oh, like the tiles. That's pretty cool.
Did you see?
Oh, that's cool. That's pretty cool too.
And you know, I get these. I'm so cute.
One with my.
You put when the wheels are.
On her?
Yeah, on her.
On her thing? Oh, okay. Well, that's the type of thing. You know, I was thinking the cloth because if we wrap it around, it's not gonna break. That's why I was kind of hesitant about wrapping the other one. I didn't want it to snap off. Go look at the colcha slippers.
So you can get the same one. Yeah. I've seen a bunch of YouTubers get the same one.
No, what? Oh, like little chair. Oh, this is cool. That one.
No, I'm gonna do the I'm gonna get another mailbox.
Look at the mini, like a tortilla thing.
Pero ahora nos vamos para acá, no, porque si no vamos a salir.
Oh, that's badass. You play the banjo. That shit is tight.
The dog escaped. The dog's name was like
Okay, turn towards me.
Oh, you want it?
Yeah.
And then I'll get this here. Okay.
Yeah, you saw one.
Oh, Addie might like that.
Yeah, she probably would.
Right?
Yeah.
With the dog and everything?
Yeah, even that one.
Yeah.
Could go in her little dollhouse.
I wonder how much that is.
But she's not gonna be that much longer. She's already 13.
She still plays with shit, though. There's the capybaras. Yeah. No, they have some over here. That's where I left off. What? Huh. Smells good. Smells good. Can't smell the leather. nice.
How much are these little bags?
There's that tie over there.
Because when I go get a massage, I like to put my stuff like the towel, because I found black. What did you like?
Let's go see what they have. Back in the day, that used to be a real bull. Yeah, painted like a zebra. Those are piggy banks. Para la lipo, stupid. See what's going on over here. It's gonna be fun. You want to go across the street then and go look over there? Look at that.
It's like my Dolce, but furry and smaller.
Yeah.